Hope you guys are having a great day today. Today we're going to be taking a look at another popular senior front-end engineering question. The question asks us to find the K most frequently appeared text nodes on a web page. So we'll have a DOM tree representing a web page, and the web page is going to have a bunch of different paragraphs, span tags, and so forth. So we want to write a function that basically returns us the most frequently appeared words on that web page. So for instance, imagine this is our web page. It's a root div, a few paragraphs, spans, and so forth. It has a couple of words in there. So we want to figure out what is the most frequently appeared words in this DOM tree. And we given our limit is 3. In this case, the most frequent would be this, is, and paragraph. So our output would look something along these lines. By the way, this is frontendly.com. This is a full course that teaches you how to study for the most frequently appearing front-end engineering specific interview questions on the market. So these questions are popularly asked by companies like Google, Meta, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, you name it, they ask it. I've gone ahead and aggregated all of these questions into one website called frontendly.com. This website currently contains about 35 different questions, article style formats exactly like this, but I'm soon working on adding another 70 more questions. So yeah, check out the website at frontendly.com if you're interested. But we do offer all solutions in code, as well as an article explaining how to do it. And most questions also include videos. So you're able to really follow through every single question and learn it really well. So let's go back into the code. So in the code, I've recreated that DOM that we've already looked at. So we already went through it. It has a bunch of paragraphs, spans, and so forth. And on a JavaScript, I've gone ahead and created this function called findKFrequentWordsInTree. This accepts two arguments, the first being the root, the tree itself, and the second is the limit that we want to pass in. And I've gone ahead and referenced the tree here, which is just by getElement.id, root, and then I'm just console.logging the function itself, the return, with passing in the arguments provided. So let's think about how we want to be able to even just extract the words themselves. So if you have done any sort of exercises like this, generally when you're working with a DOM tree, most frequently you're going to have to traverse through it. You're going to have to traverse through the top, then you have to go to the next, then you have to go depth in, then you go in the next one, and so forth. And it kind of goes on forever. It can get a little bit complicated. But in this case, you actually can avoid all that because there's a built-in JavaScript method called textContent, where if you provide any individual element, it will give you all of the text content, even the nested text content for that element. So, for instance, I can say const, let's just call it all text content equals to root.textContent, and I'm just going to print this out, all text content. So when I run this, see, I can grab every single text content in here. So a couple of issues that we're going to have to resolve here. One, there's a bunch of white spaces that we need to ignore. Two, some texts also have a period next to it. And three, some texts have capitalization letters. And I'm sure there's other strange instances we can go into where, for instance, some words might have an apostrophe or quotes and so forth. For this case, we're just going to focus on the example at hand. We'll focus on periods, capitalization, and spaces. So now that we have the text content we want to work with, let's think about how can we actually understand the frequency of how often these words will appear. So for that, we're going to be using a hash map to control and see how often a word appears. So let's build a hash map out. So we can call it const map, and maybe let's call it text map. It's just an empty map by default. And in here, instead of just calling this all text content, let's actually extract the individual words as a list first. So we'll say const words list is root.textContent dot split. We're going to split this by spaces. So now this is a list. Now we'll say dot map, and then we get each individual word from inside here. And in here we can do some word manipulation. First thing is get rid of spaces. And there's probably a better way to do this using regex, but for the sake of being in a real interview, you might not remember the entire regex syntax. If you do, congrats to you. I certainly don't remember it. But here we can keep it simple. We'll just keep overriding the word itself. So we'll say word equals to word dot replace. The first argument of replace is what is the thing you're trying to replace. So we'll replace space with no space, and we'll just copy this a few times. The second would be get rid of periods. So in this one, we'll just get rid of periods. And lastly, make lowercase everything. And here we actually do word dot to lowercase. And actually, I don't fully remember on top of my head if I need to overwrite word. I think something like this will just work, but it's fine. We'll just keep it as is. This will be perfectly fine too for now. So if we actually just print out words now, let's see what they return. Cool. So looks like we have a few blank words. So we can work with that. They are so we also have cases where we are having new lines. So let's ignore new lines too. So we'll have get rid of new lines. And new lines are represented with a \n. So let's run this again. Cool. So we got rid of all new lines and so forth. So now let's put these words into our text map. So we'll say if text map does not contain the word, then text map word will just start with 0. So that means that as long as text map.word is defined, it'll start with 0. And if now that it's going to be defined, we'll just keep adding on to it. So let's print out our text map now. So we'll say console.log text map. And it's returning an object1 that, it should not be text map, it should be text map word. There we go. So looks like it's all working as expected. One issue here is it's not ignoring empty words. So let's fix that as well. So we'll say if word.length, then we do this. We just paste our stuff. Let's just run this. Why is this showing undefined? If word.length, then text map word. And is coming from the console.log, but our actual console is coming here, which is all looking as expected. So now that we have a hash map containing the most frequently appeared words within the map, we're going to have to sort this and return it by a particular limit that's provided inside of the second argument for the function. So we can convert this map now into a list and sort that list and then return the most frequently appeared words. So how we can do that is we can say object.keys text map, and let's make this a variable. So we'll say const keys equals to object.keys text map. So this will provide us all of the individual keys from inside of it. And here we'll say keys.sort, and sort will give us an A and B property, two properties that we want to sort. And then here we can return text map B, because we want to sort by most to least minus text map A. So this will give us a sorted list of keys returned. So if I say return keys, run this, now we're getting the sorted list. This is paragraph, that's expected, that would be the most frequently appeared. Another should be after, so let's see another is 2, perfect, working as expected. The only thing left now is we want to just make sure the limiting is working. So at the bottom here, when we're returning keys, we'll say keys.splice, and splice will start with 0 and then we'll end with the limit. Splice will just limit the list to a particular limit that you're setting. 0 is the starting, limit is the ending value. So if I run this, it's working as expected. Cool. And that's pretty much how you build the find most frequently appeared word in a tree. If you guys found this video helpful, consider subscribing and check out Frontend if you are curious about more questions like this. Thank you. Hope you guys have a great day.